Hello, it's me again, Maureen. Today, I'm going to share with you all an example about respiratory failure. When you hear about the respiratory system, you probably know it's related to the imbalance of the metal element in the five elements theory. So, who is it about? It's someone called William. Which William, you ask? William, the English one. We've all used his work before. When we use a computer, there's a computer mouse, right? He's the one who invented it. He was born on January 27th, 1929, in the year of Wu Qin. As for the month, it's the Chou month, and the day is Ren Shen Day. So, looking at these 3 pillars and 6 characters, since he was born in January, which is actually winter, the Chou earth at that time was quite watery. So, he belongs to the strong water type, strong water. If it's strong water, then what should we use to balance the water? First, water generates wood. Second, water controls fire. Third, earth controls water. So these 3 are his useful elements. Regarding unfavorable elements, he doesn't like metal because it generates water, nor water itself. He had respiratory failure, which is related to metal. His incident was July 26, 2020. Last year was the Gingzi year. Metal generates water, and water was extremely strong. For him, that was his unfavorable element. With water being so strong, and he himself already being strong water, things were already out of balance. Then, looking at the month, it was the Guiwei month, and the day was Zhengu Day. Actually, if you look at his 3 pillars, you can already see there's a Ziwu clash. With water being so strong, the fire gets extinguished. Fire is the most important element for him. It's his useful god. So on that day, it was because his fire was way too weak, and metal and water were way too strong, that he had the incident. And metal represents his respiratory system, so that's why he ended up dying from respiratory failure. We can see that actually, starting from this luck cycle, at 62 years old, his health had already started to show problems. Because Ren Shen and Guai Yu, all these are metal generating water. And now at this 82-year-old luck cycle, which is Jia Su, Su is also autumn earth, which means metal is strong again. And this Jia also clashes with his Gun year and Gun day. So which one does the Su clash with? Su clashes with Chen. And also, he has Chou, Su, and Wei. Look, there's Chou, there's Su, there's Wei, Chou, Su, and Wei, the 3 harmonies of earth. With the 3 harmonies of earth, earth becomes very strong. When earth is this strong, it naturally generates metal. And then what does metal naturally generate? Water. So what we see is, because he entered this luck cycle, actually this cycle is really unfavorable for him. With metal being so strong, earth generates this metal, and metal will generate this water, and also generate these metals, and these metals will generate this water, like that. So in a Bazi chart, when we set up this chart and determine the luck cycle, all these things are exactly what you can fully learn in my Bazi BB class. Looking at his age 32 GC fire luck cycle, fire represents the time he invented the mouse. As he likes fire, it is actually his favorite element. So this actually proves that, through a luck cycle, we can see how to judge whether this Bazi is strong or weak. Alright, so if we want to know which organ in our body metal corresponds to, what would that be? Turns out, the organ is the lungs. And our Bazi health course can tell everyone about this. So if anyone is interested in metaphysics, my Bazi BB and Bazi Health online courses are both available. You can just click the link above to buy them, and after purchasing, you can study at home by yourself. At the same time, there are also Master Luck Heng Lai's Bazi application, Advanced Bazi, Feng Shui application, and Advanced Feng Shui courses. You can also click the link above to buy them and study comfortably at home. Okay, that's all for today. I'll share more with everyone next time. Bye-bye.